Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about quantum mechanics, a fascinating branch of physics that has revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. Quantum mechanics is a theory that describes the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic level. It goes against the classical concept of physics, where an object is considered to be a complete entity and cannot be broken down into smaller parts. Instead, quantum mechanics suggests that objects can exist in multiple states or modes simultaneously, and their behavior is determined by the probability of these states. This concept of superposition, first predicted by Albert Einstein, Boris Podolsky, and Nathan Rosen in 1935, is one of the most profound and challenging aspects of quantum mechanics. Another key concept of quantum mechanics is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which states that it is impossible to know all things about an object at the same time. This means that one cannot determine the exact location of an object, its momentum, or its energy without breaking the object down into smaller particles. One of the most famous applications of quantum mechanics is in the field of technology, where it has led to the development of transistors, lasers, and MRI machines. It has also played a crucial role in our understanding of the universe, including the nature of reality and the composition of the universe. In conclusion, quantum mechanics is a fascinating and complex field of physics that has profound implications for our daily lives. Its concepts of superposition and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle continue to challenge our understanding of the world and inspire new technologies and discoveries. Thank you for listening.